What's good, YouTube? 306 here, and I'm back with another video. And today we got a little something special for y'all, man. We got a mystery box unboxing. So came with this little 3D. I ain't gonna lie, this right here is so amazing. Just imagine if you was high looking at this, you're crashing out for sure. But put that to the side. This is what we came for, mystery box. So I have a PlayStation one, and then I have one for PC. So let's just get straight into this unboxing. We about to start with this one first. So let's see what we get inside. Damn, box kind of tough. Hold on. Okay, got some confetti in there, some candy. I'm not eating this shit. A thank you card. Boom, okay, next order. If there's some good stuff in here, then I'll order again. Sticker. Damn. Got a little medallion. This shit kind of heavy. Hold on. Easter egg. What the hell is in here? You know what? Candy. Don't eat candy. All right. Got this. Oh, got some Control Freaks. One. So yeah, this is the PlayStation box. Good thing I made the smart decision on opening up the PlayStation box first. And that is everything that's out of here. So let's put this back in here because I'm not eating that candy. Boom. Put this to the side. Probably won't even use these. Probably give these to the homie, but move that to the side. So let's see what we actually got up in here. What is this? Okay. Wait, is this a light? Yo! This indeed just might be a light. Oh, this is a light, and it comes with batteries. Okay. Okay. Damn, talk to me. Talk to me. Yo, this is actually fire. Get a little pill for y'all. Oh my God. This was a gnarly pill. I don't even know if that's supposed to pill off, but that was gnarly. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. No, this is fire, dog. This is actually fire. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm keeping this. Here is the PC box. Okay. Some more of this. Another one of these. Another medallion. Another sticker. Some anime keycaps. Gotta see what these info. Got another one. Wait, no, I got some Pokemon keycaps now. Okay. That's candy. I don't eat candy. All right, this out of the way. Now let's see what this is. Oh, got another one of these. All right. Now. Oh my God. Oh, this light looks brighter. Yo, this is actually cool, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, I might just display one on each desk. All right, so let's keycap puller. Oh my God. I think that was all of them. Oh snap! A Charizard space bar. Yo, now these keycaps are fire, dog. I might throw some of these onto my current keyboard. Cool. Oh, this Hunter X Hunter. Okay. I think these ones might be better. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm adding both of these to both PCs, but I don't know exactly where these go on the PC. Oh, actually, you can put them anywhere. Oh, okay, no, never mind. So these are the arrows. Boom. This is space. This look like it could be shift, tab. Yeah. These are fire. Would I order another one? Yes, I will, and I will be ordering another one very soon. So, yeah, so this is everything that I got out of these with this light. Where's my other light? Where'd it go? Oh, literally right here. And then this one. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the post notifications if you guys want to see more videos like this. Without further ado, DS6 here, and I'm out. Peace.